Hi guys! Magandang buhay, magandang umaga, magandang gabi dyan sa ating lahat. Andito po kami ngayon sa Mexican restaurant. It call is La Fiesta. La Fiesta. So I got for my drinks, meron po akong order ako ng strawberry frozen. Medium po to, pero para ang laki-laki niya. It's large. And my friends, Rosa, she got a, what do you call that? Michelada. Michelada. Yan guys. At ang in-order ko na food ay tinatawag na balbakwa. Yan po, balbakwa. I never been try this, but I matry ko. I-try ko ngayon kung anong lasa niya. Then, my friend Rosa, she got menudo. Yan ang balbakwa dyan tawag sa amin. Then I got this, the spicy. Walang rice. So ito yung, what do you call this, sweetheart?
Tortilla.
Ha?
Tortilla.
Tortilla?
Tortilla.
Tortilla. Ang tawag ito, tortilla. So, yan. Yan ang rice ng Michoacan. They have a chips. So, itong unang reserve sa amin, chips. Yan po. So, let's eat guys. Samahan nyo kami. I-try muna kung ano ang lasa nito. So, walang spoon. Matry ko ano, what is this? It's like a peanuts or beans?
It's garbanzo. I don't know how to call it in English. Put lime on.
Okay naman. Lagyan ko ng lime. I think but it's bitter, the other one,
This one?
Yan, parang pinas lang. Sa pinas ko lagyan ko ng sili para medyo maanghang. Yan guys. At sa kaibigan ko, she got this. Just should do like that. Yan ang tinatawag na menudo. Yeah, super yum. Ang daming taba-tabain. Alright guys. Kakain muna kami. Nag-try lang ko nang mag-start ng vlog ko no. Hi guys. Not bad.
You like it?
I like the menudo. Did you try this?
Yeah.
You been try this food?
Yeah. Before, yeah.
Okay guys, bye-bye. So how do you turn off this?
Just press the green button.
Bye guys, kain muna kami.